Yes, I posted this video 2 hours ago. Let me check how many views we've got now. Um, yeah, only 12 views? What's going on? I thought this was going to blow up. Oh my God. Hey, Matthew, I couldn't help but overhear what you were saying. It seems you want to make your video go viral. Is that correct? Yes, that's the dream. I thought by now it's gonna be an instant fame. Well, it's not always instant, but there are some elements that you can add to your video that can help it go viral. Okay, tell me more. So we're going to be using the acronym VIRAL. VIRAL stands for value, impact, audience, and length. These are the keys to making your videos go viral. Let's start with V. V stands for value. Make sure that your video offers something valuable to your viewer. It could be entertainment, it could be inspiration, or something educational. I stands for impact. Make sure that your video has some emotional impact. In your videos, you could make your viewers cry, you could make them laugh, or feel something powerful because emotions drive shares. R stands for relatability. People often share what they can relate to. So make sure that your video's message or story relates to a broader audience. A stands for audience. Make sure you understand your target audience and create content that are tailored to what they want. And L stands for length. You see, attention spans these days are very, very short. So make sure that your videos are not too long, but ensure that they are short and sweet. So if I add all of these elements to my video, it will go viral? Absolutely. It won't guarantee instant success, but it will definitely increase your chances. Remember, it's not always about the views, it's about engagement and shares. Okay, thank you so much for the advice, Shola. I will give it another try. Thank you.